Hi guys, so in this video we're going to teach you how to manually change or request or appeal for your name change on your Facebook profile. Alright, so this is the manual link just in case you're waiting for 60 days to elapse before you'll be able to change your name automatically. So you can use this option to get your Facebook profile name changed ASAP. Okay, so before we dive into this video, take note, there's some changes now we've been observing. So before now, once you submit any valid government ID, Facebook is going to approve your name change automatically or within a short period of time. But recently, just in case if you submit one ID and you don't get any feedback or you didn't observe any changes on the platform, the next thing you want to do is to try to submit an additional valid government ID. So let's say you submitted your international passport. You could also add your national ID card in the button where you can upload your documents. So make sure you visit the description section of this video. We are going to attach the link that will show you how to change your Facebook name manually or how to appeal for a name change manually on your Facebook profile. So let's jump right straight into this video. All right, so this is the link for changing your name. We're going to input it in the description section of this video. So you could click on this link. It's going to take you to the Facebook app and you're going to see the option to change your name, or you click and copy. Then you go to your browser and, open the link. So you go to your browser and let's paste here. You could use Chrome or Safari, whichever one. It's going to work fine for you. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Change your name. So you're going to input your first name, your middle name, and your last name. Okay, don't forget I said submit 2 documents. So let's say you could submit your national ID card and also your international passport, any valid government ID. Then you input your contact email, then you send. So it's that easy. For those of you who signed up for our ultimate meta ad fixing services, so the name compliance structure we shared with you guys, you're still going to use that in this form. Okay, so don't forget. All right, guys. So do well to visit the description section of this video to access more resources and see you in our next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive content like this. Bye for now.